Hello students, let's continue with our EVS2 lesson number 14. So what we have seen, Tanaji and Udayban, they are having a good fight between themselves. है कि नहीं, दोनों के दोनों बहुत bravery के साथ लड़ रहे थे. And finally Udayban and Tanaji बहुत जख्मी हो गए. They were totally wounded. Now come to the next topic. The fort is captured but the lion is dead. So our lesson name, the fort is captured but the lion is dead. Let's see what happened in this side. With the death of Tanaji, the Mawlas found themselves without a leader and began to retreat. So finally क्या हो गया? At the end, Tanaji, he was died. By then, Suryaji and his men had arrived on the scene of battle. And उसके बाद कौन आया? सूर्याजी, तानाजी के younger brother, वो आ गए थे. Suryaji was deeply grieved to know that his brother was dead, but he had no time for grief. He had to continue the fight. है कि नहीं? सूर्याजी को बहुत बुरा लगा कि उनके elder brother तानाजी he is no more. But was there any time? उनको रोने के लिए, sadness बताने के लिए time था क्या? There was no time for the grief, for the sorrows. So he had to continue with the fight. He cut off the rope by which the Mawlas had climbed the fort. Then he stood in the path of the retreating Mawlas and said, "Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Are you not ashamed to run away like a bunch of cowards? Turn back and fight, for I have blocked your retreat by cutting off the rope by which you climbed up. The only choice before you is either to jump to your death over this precipice or to turn back and fight to destroy the enemy." So finally what did happen? After Tanaji had died, all the soldiers were very it means वो लोग काफ़ी डर गए थे. है कि नहीं? उनका लीडर है क्या अभी? No. So they were very awkward, or they became literally coward, and they had started running here and there because there was no leader to lead them. So finally Suryaji, he came, he took in charge of the fight, and he said, "Don't you see, Mawlas?" He's saying to the soldiers, to Tanaji's soldiers, that don't you see our father, that your father is lying dead there? Are you not ashamed of yourself? तुम लोग को शर्म नहीं आ रही है? तुम लोग इधर उधर भाग रहे हो. Now you have to decide that I had cutted off the rope, and now you would jump down, or you will turn back and fight. So this is your option. Either you jump down from the steep, or either you fight the battle. So the Mawlas returned to the fight and attacked the enemy. A fierce battle raged. The Mawlas ultimately conquered. So finally students क्या हो गया? Mawlas फिर से turn back हो गए और उन्होंने fight start कर दी. Students, turn your page. Continue on page number 56. Conquered the fort, but in the process had lost their brave and lion-hearted leader Tanaji. Jijamata and Shivaji Maharaj heard the news. They were struck with grief. Shivaji Maharaj expressed his sorrow in a single sentence. The fort is won, but the lion is dead. So finally, सारे मावलास ने क्या किया? कोंडाना फोर्ट जीत लिया, फिर से रिकैप्चर कर लिया. But what happened? Their lion-hearted the leader Tanaji, he was dead. Brave lion-hearted leader is dead. Finally he is dead. Jijamata and Shivaji heard this news. उनके पास भी ये news चली गई that the fort is been captured, but our Tanaji, he is no more. So what did Shivaji said? How did he express his grief? उन्होंने कैसे express किया? बस एक ही सेंटेंस कहा, डेट वॉज द फोर्ट इज वॉन बट द लायन इज डेड. मतलब हम फोर्ट जीत गए और हमारा शेर, हमारा तानाजी, ही इज डेड, ही इज नो मोर. सो कोंडाना बिकेम सिंहगढ़ इन मेमोरी ऑफ द ग्रेट वॉरियर हु गेव हिज लाइफ टू रिकैप्चर इट. सो फाइनली कोंडाना फोर्ट का न्यू नेम क्या आ गया? सिंहगढ़. फॉर वॉट? because while recapturing Kondana, who was dead? Lion-hearted leader तानाजी was dead. हमारा lion-hearted leader तानाजी की डेथ हो गई, इसके लिए वो फोर्ट को अभी हम क्या बोलते हैं? सिंहगढ़. This event took place in 1670. और ये फाइट कब हुई थी? ये इवेंट कब हुआ था? In the year 1670. Later on, Shivaji Raje personally went to Amrita and performed the wedding of Raiba. And finally, as तानाजी said कि पहले कोंडाना फोर्ट रिकैप्चर करेंगे, फिर रायबा की शादी. तो शिवाजी महाराज he personally went to the village, to the Tanaji's village, and he performed the wedding of तानाजी's son रायबा. Finally शिवाजी महाराज ने personally जाकर रायबा की शादी करवाई. Students, here we are ending up with our lesson number 14. So what you have to do, you have to read this lesson again. Okay, read full lesson. Bye bye.